Are you tired of driving without proof when something goes wrong on the road? Today, we're breaking down the best 70 dash cams you can buy right now, covering everything from image quality and night vision to smart features and parking mode. Whether you're on a tight budget or want the absolute best, we've got you covered. Stick around. You won't want to miss our top pick. Number 1. 70 a 800 SE, front and rear 4K dash cam. The 70 a 800 SE is one of the best value dual-channel dash cams you can buy today, delivering a stunning 4K UHD front camera paired with a 1080 pixels rear camera. Its wide f1.55 aperture combined with HDR and super night vision means you'll capture sharp, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Loop recording and emergency event lock keep your most important clips safe automatically. On the connectivity side, built-in Wi-Fi lets you pull footage right to your phone through the 70 app. No cables needed. The 24-hour parking monitoring feature gives you peace of mind whether you're at work or asleep. If you want flagship 4K dual coverage without paying a flagship price, this is your cam. Next up, the 70 a 810S front and rear dash cam steps things up with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, one of the most capable low-light sensors in any consumer dash cam right now. You're getting 4K front recording, 1080 pixels HDR rear coverage, and a wide 150-degree field of view that captures everything happening around your vehicle. The built-in 3-inch display makes setup and playback easy without needing your phone. What really sets the A810S apart is its combination of built-in GPS, ADAS driver assistance alerts, and buffered parking monitoring. Wi-Fi app control ties it all together for a seamless experience. For drivers who refuse to compromise on night vision quality, this is the one to beat. It's our best overall pick on this list. Coming in at number 3, the 70 M310 is the go-to choice if you want solid, no-fuss protection without spending a lot. It records at a crisp 1296 pixels resolution through a 130-degree wide-angle lens, which covers more than enough of the road ahead. WDR night vision keeps footage usable after dark, which is more than you'd expect at this price point. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control mean you can manage and download clips directly from your phone. Loop recording and emergency event recording handle the basics exactly as you'd expect. If you're a first-time dashcam buyer or just want something reliable and simple, the 70 M310 is a no-brainer, our best budget pick. Moving on to number 4, if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any rideshare service, the 70 T800 was practically built for you. This triple-channel system captures 4K front footage, rear coverage, and an interior cabin camera simultaneously, so you've always got full protection from every angle. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures that footage stays sharp and detailed even on late-night rides. AI motion detection and Smart Guardian features add an extra layer of security, while Wi-Fi 6 connectivity makes transferring large 4K files faster than ever. Advanced parking surveillance keeps your car protected even when you're between shifts. If you spend hours behind the wheel for work, the 70 T800 is an investment that genuinely pays for itself. At number 5, the 70 Omni X800 does something no other cam on this list can. It rotates a full 360 degrees. With 4K recording and AI-powered motion tracking, it intelligently follows movement to capture events your fixed-angle cam might miss entirely. Enhanced night vision and wide security coverage make this a genuine all-around security device, not just a driving recorder. Smart parking surveillance and event detection alerts ping your phone the moment something happens near your parked car. App connectivity keeps you in control from anywhere. If maximum vehicle security coverage is your top priority, day or night, moving or parked, the 70 Mi Omni X800 is in a class of its own. Number 6 is for the budget-conscious driver who still wants front and rear coverage. Meet the 70 Mi, a 410 front and rear dash cam. The front camera records at 1440 pixels, the rear at 1080 pixels, and both benefit from HDR night vision that handles tricky lighting situations like dawn and dusk really well. Dual-channel recording at this price is genuinely impressive value. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control make it easy to check and share clips on the go. Loop recording keeps your storage tidy without any manual effort. It's not the flashiest cam on this list, but for straightforward, affordable dual-camera protection, the 70 Mi, a 410 is a smart, practical choice. Halfway through the list, the 70 Mi, a 500S, has been a fan favorite for good reason. It balances real-world performance with a price that doesn't hurt. The Sony IMX335. Sensor at 2592 by 1944 resolution delivers consistently detailed footage, and you can add a rear camera if you want dual coverage down the line. Built-in GPS and ADAS driver assistance make it smarter than most cameras at this tier. A built-in 2-inch display, Wi-Fi app control, and parking surveillance round out a very capable feature set. Loop recording handles storage management in the background without any fuss. If you want a proven, well-rounded performer that won't let you down, the 70 Mi, a 500S, earns its reputation every single time. Coming in at number 8, the 70 Mi T800E 4K dash cam is the premium upgrade for anyone who wants the full triple camera treatment with a focus on image quality. 3 channels, front, rear, and interior cabin, all record in 4K, and the large aperture lens is designed specifically for capturing clear footage at night. Smart surveillance features and event detection mean it's always watching, even when you're not. Advanced parking monitoring and app connectivity tie the whole system together. It's a step up from the standard T800 in terms of refinement and overall image capture capability. If you want the best 3-channel setup money can buy on the 70 Mi lineup, the T800E is the one to get. Closing out our list, the 70 Mi M800 4K dash cam proves that you don't need multiple cameras to get premium quality footage. It packs 4K UHD recording and Starvis night vision into a surprisingly compact, clean-looking body that won't clutter up your windshield. Emergency event recording and loop recording handle all the essentials quietly in the background. Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app control let you access footage anytime without touching the device. Parking mode adds a layer of protection when the car is sitting still. If you want a no-compromise single-channel recorder that keeps things simple and delivers outstanding footage, the 70 Mi M800 is the best compact 4K option on this list. So there you have it, the best 70 Mi dash cams ranked for every type of driver. If we had to pick just 2, the A810S takes the crown for overall quality, and the M310 wins on value. Check the links in the description below to grab the best current prices. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Which cam caught your eye? Drop it in the comments.